Hello friends, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Ivy Indie Viewers, and if you are an existing viewer, welcome back. Today I am bringing to you a recipe that is loved by us all. This is the recipe of veg fried rice and chili paneer gravy. Make sure to watch the video till the end because I am going to share some special tips and tricks which will make this recipe very yummy and delightful. So without further delay, let's get started. These are our chopped vegetables for the fried rice. And these are our diced vegetables for the gravy. The more and more I get myself into Chinese cooking, the more I realize that Chinese cooking is all about precision, method and structure. These are some spring onion leaves as well. Now we will start our cooking. In a thick bottomed pan, I have warmed up some 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Then I have added my chopped onions, 1 chopped onion, now I have added a lot of chopped garlic and 2 green chilies chopped. I have added the ginger as well. I'm giving it a good stir. And then I have added the chopped French beans and the chopped carrots. We have to do this cooking on high flame. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Then I am adding 2 teaspoonfuls of vinegar. This will help our vegetables in cooking. Once they are cooked for a bit, I am adding the pre-cooked rice. If you can use the rice that has been cooked overnight, that is even better. If not, just cook the rice and let it rest for 3 to 4 hours before making the fried rice. Now I have added 3 tablespoons of good quality light soy sauce. I'm going to give the fried rice a good stir. Once everything is mixed well, I am going to garnish it with our chopped spring onion leaves. Then comes our star ingredient for the gravy. This is 200 grams of paneer diced into cubes. To this, I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and then 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or corn flour. I'm going to mix it with light hands and let it rest. If needed, we can add little bit of water also to the paneer mix. Then in another wok, I have warmed up again few tablespoons of refined oil, and we are going to fry our paneer cubes till they are golden brown. We are frying the paneer cubes in batches. Once they are done, I am taking them out. And then in the same pan, I have added chopped ginger and garlic. Once they are fried for a little bit, I have added 2 green chilies which have been cut roughly. Then our diced onion. This is 1 medium size onion diced. Some bit of diced carrot. Once they are fried well, now I have added again here 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Finally, for vegetables, I have added our diced capsicum and then the spring onion bulbs. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. And then we are adding our sauces for the gravy. This is 2 teaspoons of good quality dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce. I'm going to give everything a good stir till glaze appears on our vegetables. And now I am adding 2 cups of hot water to it. Let the gravy boil. Once it starts boiling properly, I am adding the corn flour slurry into the gravy for the thick consistency. For preparing the corn flour slurry, I have mixed 2 teaspoons of corn flour with some cold water. We have to add the corn flour slurry gradually and keep stirring the gravy so that there are no lumps and the gravy is uniform. Finally, we are adding our pre-fried paneer cubes to the gravy. After adding the paneer, we are not going to boil the gravy for a long time, otherwise our paneer cubes will become soggy. Just give it a light good stir. And once everything is mixed, again garnish it with some fresh spring onion leaves. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. If yes, please give the video a like. Share the video as much as possible with your friends and family, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel IV Indiviers for more such yummy recipes and to stay connected. Please comment in the comments box section how did you like the video, and please do try it out at home with your loved ones following my recipe. I can assure you that your family and loved ones are going to love this recipe.